Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, we've seen quite a move out of the VIX the past few days. The biggest day, of course, Friday, right before the weekend, we saw a 5-point move in the VIX cash. VIX futures also up significantly. And on Friday, we had our second highest volume day in the VIX ever. Over 500,000 contracts traded in the VIX options. The upside calls were especially highly traded. In February, the Feb 40 strikes and above had over 100,000 calls trade. Not many of those traded on the bid. Most of them were customers coming in, paying the offers. In the second half of the day, you could really feel panic-like trading. The in-crowd market makers had faded off of the offers. If an option would be 90 cents at 105 on the screen, everyone in the crowd was 95 at 110, not even on the electronic offer. Today we've seen it move back slightly. Panic has regressed, but the VIX futures aren't that far down, even with an up day in the S&P 500. The VIX cash down $2. The front and second month VIX futures down about 50 cents into the 24 range. We've had one big trade, I would say, that reduced the level of pressure on that Feb upside. The February 32 halves, which we had a major bank buy last week for 35 cents and 45 cents. They bought 20,000 one day, 20,000 another day. That same bank came back to sell out their winner. They sold them for 77.5 cents and 75 cents. Locking in some money on those Feb 32s. The crowd and brokers across the pit were very eager to buy those back. A lot of people had been short them with the explosion in upside volatility, and you didn't see volatility ebb that much lower down, but you did see a relief in some pressure from some people who clearly needed to cover something. As the days worn down, we're seeing slightly less trading than on Friday, but continued trading, this time a little bit back and forth. Had that seller on the 32 half line, still buyers. The 22.25 call spread has been trading very actively today, trading for about $1. That's what we have going here. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.